मैं आपको देशभक्ति से भरी एक शानदार सुबह की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। आदरणीय निर्देशक श्री जशन चावला जी, प्रधानाचार्य सुश्री गुरप्रीत कौर, समूह माता पिता, शिक्षकों और मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आप सभी का 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ। आइए इस दिन को याद करें, हमारे महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों और नेताओं को, जिन्होंने अपनी मातृभूमि को स्वतंत्र बनाने के लिए अपना सब कुछ बलिदान कर दिया। भगत सिंह, राजगुरु, सुखदेव, सुभाष चंद्र बोस, महात्मा गांधी और ऐसे कई लोगों को नमन करते हैं जिनके नाम हम जानते तक नहीं कि भारत के लिए कौन जीवित रहा और कौन शहीद हो गया। आइए हम भी इस महान दिन का संकल्प लें। हम तब तक संघर्ष करते रहेंगे जब तक हम अपनी मातृभूमि को भ्रष्टाचार, पिछड़ेपन, संकीर्णता, गरीबी, संसाधनों के दुरुपयोग और सांप्रदायिकता के सभी संकटों से मुक्त नहीं कर लेते। आइए हम प्रतिज्ञा लें कि हम अपने महान देश के जिम्मेवार नागरिक होंगे और इसे अपने भव्य कार्यों के साथ परोसेंगे। जय हिंद। Over to you, Prerna ma'am.
Good.
Thank you, Amar ma'am.
Very
As we are
please.
As we are gathered here today, I, Prerna Verma, on the behalf of the school management, principal, and the staff, wish each and everyone present here a very happy Independence Day. So, without taking much of your time, permit me to start the program. Freedom fighters like Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Mangal Pandey, and millions of others gave their lives for this nation. We will always remember them. So, to pay tribute to our leaders and nation's guardians, here is a very talented singer with us, Deepika Shelley of class 6. I request Aarti ma'am to play her video.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
What a beautiful song sung by Deepika. स्वतंत्रता के इस महापर्व को आओ सभी मनाएं, नतमस्तक हो वीर शहीदों को गीत देश के गाएं. To present his views on Independence Day and our national flag, we have with us a video and a poem of Sanvi Kalada of class 3 and Krishna Soni of class 6. I would request Aarti ma'am to please play their video.
फिर से आ गए तुम लोग, आज कहाँ जलाओगे मुझे? और अब की बार कैसे भरोसा दिलाओगे मुझे कि ये फिर नहीं होगा? फिर से तुम मुझे नीलाम नहीं करोगे, फिर से मुझे किसी मजहब का गुलाम नहीं करोगे। मैं अक्सर जा मिलता हूँ उन लाशों से जो अभी नहीं सोई कब्रिस्तान की उन सुरंगों में, जिन्हें तुमने जलाया था उन रोज रंगों में। सुन के ये दास्ता जग सारा है अचंभे में कि एक रंग अमन का भी है मेरे उन 3 रंगों में। लगता है अब भी नहीं पहचाना तुमने मुझे, होता है अक्सर लोग मरे हुए लोगों को भूल जाया करते हैं, पर मुझे इतनी आसानी से मत भूलो। मैं उन शहीदों की शहादत हूँ जिसे तुमने सजाया था उमंगों से। मैं तुम्हारी आज़ादी की अमानत हूँ, मैं जलकर भी हर रोज नफरत की आग में कई दिलों में सलामत हूँ। हाँ, मैं शौर्य, अमन और आज़ादी के रंगों में रंगा, जिसे फहराया था कारगिल में, मैं वो विजय पतंगा हूँ। मगर तुम्हारी बेगैरती का आलम तो देखो, मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ और बेरंगा हूँ। अब तो पहचान लो मुझे, मैं तिरंगा हूँ, मैं तिरंगा हूँ, मैं तिरंगा हूँ। जय हिंद।
वो जिंदगी क्या जिसमें देशभक्ति ना हो, और वो मौत ही क्या जो अपने तिरंगे में न लिखती हो। जय हिंद।
Very well done, you both. It is rightly said that a man is a patriot if his heart beats true for his country. And our little children are no less. So I request Aarti ma'am to play the second class students' videos, Dakshveer and the other students of second class.
Hi everyone, my name is Sakipit from Renewal School First Class. आज मैं करने जा रही हूँ इंडिपेंडेंस डे के लिए एक स्पेशल कविता। तो आइए दोस्तों करते हैं। एक दो बढ़ती कदम, भारत माँ के बच्चे हम। एक दो बढ़ती कदम, भारत माँ के बच्चे हम। नहीं रुकेंगे, नहीं झुकेंगे, आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे हम। एक दो बढ़ती कदम, भारत माँ के बच्चे हम। एक दो बढ़ती कदम, भारत माँ के बच्चे हम। Bye-bye students, bye-bye teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
Do you all feel some turbulence around here? No, you can't feel it, but I can. Everyone is eager to know the next performance of the day. So I would request Aarti ma'am to play the video of our tiny tots who are all excited to celebrate this day.
Hello everyone, my name is Happy Go-Lucky. I study many hours. I live in happy roots. I am a crazy road. Today my Roshi bike. Hele bola demo, हमें सुने गाने से, खूब गाने गाने से, जैसे आरे गाने
बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, मेरा रंग दे बसंती चोला, हो आज रंग दे हो माए।
I love my India. Jai Hind. I love my India.
हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग, धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है, नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, लंबी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, जो साथ।
थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज ऐसे हैं चाहे जैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं उन पे हम न्याज हैं। जमीना हमको दे जमाना, चाहो तो हमको आजमाना, हर बार हम कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छूते के तार से इंडिया वाले, झीले हार से इंडिया वाले, के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हमारा हमारा, हम बुलबुल की गुस्ता हमारा, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम।
महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे न रहे। ओ मेरी ज़मीन महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क है फीका। से निकल के खून कहे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की
Wow, what's a lovely performance. I hope everyone is energized with patriotism by having a look at this performance. And now hold your breath for another performance of our Little Millennials. I request Aarti ma'am to play Ready to Fly class video.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे।
What a beautiful performance. So why should our little millennials lag behind? We have a short quiz for you also, for the children of classes 1st, 2nd and 3rd. I request Gurpreet ma'am and Yashika ma'am to please take over the quiz of the Little Millennium.
Good morning, children. Happy Independence Day to all. I hope you all are enjoying the function. So let's start with the quiz, and it's for classes 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the instructions are same as given by Sukhjeet ma'am, that you will mute your mics, and if you want to answer the question, you need to raise your hand with the icon given, or if your video is on, you can simply raise your hand, give me a thumbs up, right? So let's start. Aarti ma'am, please play the video. Let's start with the first question. So the first two questions are for class 1. Only class 1 students will answer. Yes. So class 1 students, which is the national bird of our country?
Yeah, Beta, raise your hand first.
Class 1, Vian, Sakipriya. Gurpreet ma'am, please see who is raising the hand.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm watching. Now, beta, hurry up.
Raise your hand, class 1 student.
Love and Goodman.
But
Beta, this is
Goodman,
for what? This is for
Goodman,
class
you are
1
in
only.
class 2, beta. You'll answer the questions of class 2.
Class 1, Sakipreet, beta.
Peacock, who answered?
Ma'am, Yuvraj.
Yuvraj, you are also from class 2. See, these were the... Yes, it's right answer. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird.
Where is our class 1?
Class 1 students, buck up.
Hurry up, beta.
Yes, so the second question for class 1 student is, who is the father of our nation? Yes, class 1 students, raise your hands.
Yeah, Sakipreet.
Class 2 won't answer. Yuvraj, Gurman, don't raise your hands. We have some other questions for you. Class 1 students. I think, Gurpreet ma'am, we should pass on it to class 2 students then.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes, so class 2 students, raise your hands.
M. Mahatma Gandhi.
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
I guess Dakshveer answered. Good, Dakshveer. It's a correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi is the father of our nation. Yes, so this question is for class 2. Which is the national animal of our country? Raise your hands.
Tiger.
Again, Dakshveer answered.
Yes.
Yes, good. Next question, please, Aarti ma'am. It's a correct answer. Dakshveer, you won't speak on your mic, okay? Let others also get a chance.
Next question.
Who is the present Prime Minister of India?
Modi.
Anand gives the answer.
Anand gave the answer. Anand, what's the full name?
Narendra Modi.
Narendra Modi, yes. Good.
To be a big fan of our Prime Minister Modi.
So we have next question for class 3 students.
Yes, class 3. Turn on your mic.
For independence. Yes, class 3 students.
Excuse me, Yashika ma'am, actually class 3 students are not present today. Due to
Okay, ma'am.
yeah.
Both are not there.
Yeah, you can ask this from class 4.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, class 2. Another chance you can participate. Who ruled India before independence? Yes, Gurman. Gurman has raised her hand.
Britishers.
Yes,
Very good, Gurman.
very good. The last question, again for class 2 students. When was Mahatma Gandhi born?
2nd October.
Yes, Gurman. And Anand should learn this answer. Yes, Anand? Is he there, Aarti ma'am?
Ma'am, he has gone. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So very well done, class 2 students, I must say. They have participated in full enthusiasm. Good. Thank you, ma'am.
It is heartening to see that our children of today have become conscious of their duties. If every child starts performing his or her duty religiously, then surely we can achieve India of our dreams. And now I request Aarti ma'am to play a presentation of the cuisines that were made by our little chefs to celebrate Independence Day.
to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high.
The saffron of the rays arising from the morning sun.
In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run.
In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze.
Our hearts fill with pride at these three colors, three.
The saffron gives us courage and inspires sacrifice.
The white for us is peace and honesty.
The green is festive life and it means prosperity.
The central wheel is dharma for eternity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high.
The saffron of the rays arising from the morning sun.
In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run.
In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze.
Our hearts filled with pride at these three colors, three.
From the north and from the south of this great ancient land. From the east and from the west, together we all stand.
Let's revere the flag that is our mark of unity.
Our identity, integrity, our noble dignity.
Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. Three colors when we look up.
So after watching this video, I would like to speak some lines. दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है. So moving forward, let's have a look at a small choreography prepared by the children of class 5th. Aarti ma'am, please play the video.
जा तू राग केसरी, बंदे रग रग में गूंज रहा है, है बुलंदी पे ये तिरंगा, छोड़ के रखे हमको गंगारे, सुन लेना हिंदुस्तान है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान, है रूह पे तेरे निशान, है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान। आसमान पे झंडे गाड़े और खेलों के मैदानों में दहाड़े, फौज हमारी सबसे आगे, इसमें दुश्मन लाख है पछाड़े, ओ झूठ मिटेगा सच रहेगा, अब ये भारत स्वच्छ रहेगा, ये सुन लेना हिंदुस्तान है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान, हिंदुस्तान है रूह पे तेरे निशान, है तुझ में कहीं मेरी जान।
Very well done. Freedom is an imperishable birthright of all. It is by the goodness of God that we are a free nation and we have the right to freedom. But still, there are some restrictions which people want to overcome. Our millennials are going to represent their thoughts on freedom. And I request Aarti ma'am to play their video.
आजादी का मतलब समय समय पर बदलता रहता है। पहले हमें आजादी चाहिए थी गुलामी से, अंग्रेजों से, जंजीरों से, और हमें 15 अगस्त 1947 को आजादी मिली भी, लेकिन हम पूरी तरह से आजाद नहीं हैं। बहुत ही सीधा चलना बाकी है।
और हम मिलेनियल्स अपनी तरफ से हर कोशिश करने के लिए तैयार हैं।
आइए जानते हैं हम मिलेनियल्स को किस चीज से आजादी चाहिए।
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है। देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए का दिल में है। खुशबू बनकर गुलों से उड़ा करते हैं,
धुआं बनकर पर्वतों से उड़ा करते हैं। ये कैंचियां हमें खाक उड़ने से रोकेंगी।
हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ा करते हैं।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल
Beautiful, beautiful. I see that everyone wants freedom from virtual classes. So with this, we have reached to the end of the celebrations. I request Principal Ma'am to say a few words about today's celebration.
Yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning, dear children, dear parents, and my dear team members. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
All, I wish you all very happy Independence Day. Aarti ma'am, can you please pin my video so that children can see me? Okay. So, my heart actually fills with proud watching you all so enthusiastically participating in this particular event. This is such an important event for all of us, like independence, freedom, these two words, the meaning of these two words. Everybody knows, everybody enjoys freedom also. But the true meaning of freedom, true meaning of this word freedom is to be understood. You know, the freedom comes with a term that is called responsibility. If we are living in free India now, then this free India asks for some kinds of responsibilities also from us. So, my dear children, you all, like the last video, you all have told us about what you want to get freedom from. So 73 years before this day, which is today, 73 years before, our country was struggling to get freedom from British. We Indian people, we were not able to have any rules and regulations of our own. So we were part of a British colony only. They were ruling on us. We did not have any kind of our own freedom to run our educational institution, and other laws and orders all were of British. So now you people like started enjoying your freedom. You had your flag, you had your national anthem and everything. You started enjoying your freedom. So your parents were the generation who began with that freedom. Now you are the ones who are continuing enjoying the freedom. And our country is capable enough that our country will be a free country now forever. So, but what kind of responsibilities come with this word independence and freedom? The responsibilities which come with this word are like, we need to live as a responsible citizen. If we try to understand, like in 1947, we were termed as a slave country. Then after that, after 73 years also, we have not been able to come up as a developed nation. We are still in the category of developing nation. Developing nation means where still the resources and everything is not being utilized properly. The economy is still developing. It has not developed. The per capita income is very low. If I tell you that out in our country, in the population of 138 crores, we have a population of 138 crores, and out of these 138 crore people, 73 crores of our population, they don't have an access to toilets. Almost half of the country's people still don't have an access to toilets. So this is the state of our country even after 73 years of independence. Why this all is happening? My dear children, you are too young to think about all these things. But why am I trying to tell you all these things is because the seed gets developed in a very young age only. If you as young children start taking the responsibility that when I will become something in my life, I will actually do something great for my nation. It is not there that you go and join as a soldier, only then you will be doing something for the nation. Whatever work you choose, you can do something great for the nation. If you become a leader, inspire others in a way that they do their work without any corruption. If you become a politician, you join the parliament and everything, then make such rules that our country becomes free of all these things which we are struggling to get freedom from. Similarly, if you become an entrepreneur, then you run your business so very well that you save some money and try to bring this gap between rich and poor smaller and smaller day by day. So as you may or may not have heard this word CSR. CSR comes as corporate social responsibility. If you become a big, rich business entrepreneur, then you have to shell out some money to give it for the public usage. No doubt your parents are paying taxes and everything. That is a small amount, but the rest of the things can also, like these things come under CSR. So my children, I want you to aspire big. I want you to dream big. Whatever is there in your mind, don't let that thing go off. Your dreams should be given the wings. I have a team of teachers who are so very aspired, and I will tell them that they are so very fortunate that they are into this profession. Teaching is such a profession that you can nurture the young minds. Whatever you have become now, my dear teachers, you can always just see the spark in the minds of children. I will tell you that don't ever try to kill the creativity of the child. Every child is different. You know, our great president, past president APJ Abdul Kalam, once he said that it is difficult to keep yourself as you. Everybody will try to make you everybody. Try to understand what I mean to say. He said, everybody will make an effort to make you like everybody else, but it is difficult to maintain your own self like you. Whatever you are, God has given you a different brain. Use your creativity, as creativity leads to thinking, and thinking leads to innovation. Innovation leads to knowledge, and knowledge further leads to a great nation. If my children are knowledgeable, whatever knowledge from wherever you can gather, try to gather that knowledge. Make your country proud by doing new researches. Be proactive. Don't ever kill your imagination. I want to take a promise from you all, from dear parents, from you. This promise I want to take from your side, that whatever your child wants to become in life, you will let your child become that thing. So with this, Mehtab is smiling. I can see him smiling. So this is what I actually want. And I will tell my teachers also to give wings to their imagination. My teachers are so very creative, so very innovative. I cannot thank them enough, because within a week's time, rather not week's time, within 5 days, another function was there in front of them. They just celebrated Tej and they got free from that, and then this Independence Day celebration was there in front of them. The whole preparation, everything was there. My parents also are to be thanked for this great effort. They have become the dance instructors, they have become the musicians and everything. teaching their children, making the videos of their children, everything they are doing. Great efforts, my dear parents. My dear teachers, keep yourself inspired always. Don't ever think that if you have to work more than your number of working hours, then something will be lost. No. The proud moments which you will be getting out of your working hard for extra hours for your children, these are always going to give you such a high self-esteem. And if you have a high self-esteem, you will always do good for society. These are my words for today. So to enjoy independence, to enjoy freedom, we need to keep our rights as well as responsibilities in place. So let's all pledge to be the responsible citizens. And one more thing, children, if I tell you one more thing, that in our population, I told you about the access to toilets. I want to tell you about one more thing, that in our country, 27% of the population, that is 1/4 of the population, is still illiterate. So we very proudly call our country as a free nation, but still we have not been able to achieve these small targets. Population comes as a big, you can say, hiccup in this, big, you can say, hurdle in this thing. And then, like teaching so many children with these very funds, government also cannot take over. So each of you, you are living your comfortable life with your parents. So each one of you, when you become big or whatever, like if some child is working around you and is not getting some literacy, then you can take the responsibility of teaching that child at least something. The child should learn to speak 2 or 3 languages. The child should learn to write few languages so that the child is not a handicap. Okay. So with these words, I again wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words. I request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Thank you each and everyone for joining us. Wish you a very happy Independence Day, everyone.
So children, you will be back with your teachers in the classes on Monday. So wish you all once again very happy Independence Day. So enjoy the day today, enjoy the freedom, and just remember that the fluttering flag tells us that we need to keep moving. And it is not there that we just, for today, we just keep the flags in our hands and just hoist it outside our houses or just keep it safe for one day. It is there that for our lifetime, we keep respecting our flag. Okay, bye-bye. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.
Thanks.
Jai Hind, please put your mics on now and say Jai Hind, all of you.
Jai Hind.
All of you.